Good morning and welcome back to the hatchery at Llyn. As you can see, there's been some changes overnight. You can still see some of the eggs at the bottom of the tank, but also there's some darker specks there now. They're actually some of the fish that have hatched overnight. To be totally honest, there's quite a few tens of them at the moment, and hopefully the rest of them will hatch in the next day or a couple of days really. So if you have a look at the link at the camera, you can start to see the fish. Well, you can see some of them hatching actually, but you can also see them moving about and swimming about. Unfortunately, we have had to take quite a few eggs out of the tank that have died, but we knew this was going to happen really. So hopefully we'll see a little bit more action in the next few days. Thanks.